Hey, hi everyone. Today's update from Intel, Google, and Accenture. And Intel is hiring for software engineer intern, and salary is not mentioned. Qualification required is bachelor's degree, a master's degree. Location is only for Bangalore, and batch allow only from 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. And also freshers can apply for this job. And you can find all these link in description box below. Also you can search in our website JobsArea.in. And if you want to read more about Intel, so you can read from here, and also check out these updates also. And job description for this position is US experience and education requirements will vary significantly depending on the job. Unique requirements and job assignments are typically for summer or for brief period during school breaks, and criteria is to a bachelor's or MS in computer science, information technology, software engineering. Programming skills required is C, C++, .NET, Python, Oracle are required, and SQL, SQL are preferred skill. So you can use this link to apply this job. So here you can also read more about the job position, and if you want to apply, so click on here and apply for this position. And next update is from Google. Basically it's a challenge from Google. We call it a kickstart. And if you want to read about Google kickstart, so you can read from here. And how it works means once you have registered for kickstart on your website, you will be ready to compete in any round you want, and the 3 hours countdown begins when each round is open, and you will be compete on our website by solving algorithmic and mathematical problems. And following the round you can view your rankings as well as the round analysis. If you were a top competitor, Google might contact you for an interview, and rules are age is you understand and agree to age restriction outlines in the terms. You understand and acknowledge that in order to contact by Google recruiter you must at least 18 years old, and the registration process is open through the case contest, and but you must register before you can participate in case contest round. And the registration for the case contest will begin on or about Tuesday, February 1, 2022 at 16 UTC timing, and close on or about Saturday, November 12th, 2022 on 6 UTC timing. And you can use this link to apply for this challenge. You will redirect it to your Google's Kickstarter official page, and from here you can register for this challenge. So round C started in 2 days, 19 hours and 35 minutes. So from here you can check out the when this round are started. So apply from here. And next update is from Accenture, and Accenture is hiring for investment banking, and salary they are offering is 3.6 lakh per annum. Qualification, any graduate can apply for this position, and location is Bangalore only. Batch on only from 17, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23, and experience freshers can also apply for this job, 0 to 2 years between. You can apply for this job. And job responsibility in this role, you must solve a routine problem primarily through precedent and reference to general guidelines. Your main point of contact is your team and your direct supervisor. You will be given detailed instruction on a task that must be completed, and your decision will be an impact on your work. You will collaborate closely with project members to ensure that the requirements are met, and you'll work as an individual contributor as part of team with a defined scope of work, and you'll need to familiar with basic statistics and business terms in order to communicate effectively with stakeholders. You can find all this link in description box below, so check out description box below. And prepare skills for this job position is banking, customer service management due process, and adaptable and quick learning ability, and quality commitment and excellent interpersonal communication skills are required for this position. And use this link to apply for this job. And next update is from one other update from Google, and they are hiring for software engineer, and salary is not mentioned. Qualification required is bachelor's degree only, and the location allow only Bangalore and Hyderabad, and any batch can apply for this, any branch and batch can apply for this position. So experience required is for freshers and experience both can apply for this position. So if you want to read more about Google, so you can read from here, and please check out all these updates in our website. You can also use this from here, you can redirect it to this job positions. And job responsibility for Google for this position is research, design and build software application to supplement and improve Google's product offering, and participate in wide range of projects that makes use of natural language processing, artificial intelligence, data compression, machine learning and search technologies. Work together on scalability issues involving massive amounts of data information, solve the challenges problem that are presented to you. And criteria is your knowledge about C++, Java, Python is needed, and if you have knowledge about TCP and IP is required, and Linux also required, and our Mac environment is also familiar you are, and qualification required is master's degree or PhD you can prefer for this job position. And job description you can read from here if you want to read, and use this link to apply for this job. You will redirect it to your Google's careers page, and from here you can also read more about this job position and all these things, and use this link to apply for this job. Here they will ask you for your updated resume and your name, email ID, address, all these things. Fill out and apply for this position. Thank you.